What's up, traders, and welcome to the video. We're gonna get right into this one. The topic of this video is gonna be Nvidia, because Nvidia has been hot in the news lately. If you follow the stock market any, Nvidia released their earnings report last week, in which they blew out of the water. We'll take a look at it here shortly, and is now trading above $1,000 with their earnings report. So Nvidia has been killing it. It's been all over the news, and we want to talk about it today. But real quick, before we get into all the details, who remembers this trade setup that I posted all over my social media back in January of 2023, when the beautiful inverse head and shoulders presented itself, and then when it broke out, we talked about it. We entered at $184 at the breakout, and we took profit up here at $305. That was over 60% ROI. So we were completely happy with that trade setup. But hindsight 2020, we probably should have held all of it, right? But you can't go broke taking a profit, and you always want to stick to your trading plan. See, me personally, I don't mind losing money in the stock market. But I really hate losing money due to the fact that I didn't stick to my plan. So I'd rather stick to my plan and bag that money rather than not sticking to my plan and losing it. But we sold, and we profited over 60% on this trade setup. But as you can see on the chart, let's take a look at it. As you can see on the chart, Nvidia kept mooning, man, and this thing went all the way up to where it sits today at 1,000. You can see here at $1,064. So we would have 10x'd, over 10x, well, about 10x if we held on to our original positions, but we didn't. But we still own some Nvidia, and we can take a look at it real quick. Let's pull it up on the big screen. As you can see, this is our Nvidia holdings. We still have 5 Nvidia, and we're up over 100%. This is the profit. I haven't sold it, and I probably won't, because my plan is Nvidia is such a great company, and I think Nvidia is going to rule the world one day. I think Nvidia is really going to be the largest company by market cap on God's green earth. So what I'll probably do is just hang on to these and wait for the stock split, because we know in June next month the stock split is 10-1. So my 5 is going to go to 50 shares, and I hope the dividends are better, because I've been holding this since October 2023, and I only got 40 cents in dividends. That sucks. So hopefully that improves when this 5 turns into 50 after the stock split, but we shall see. No one really knows. But yeah, man, we're doing pretty good on Nvidia, even though we took profit back in May of 2023. Let's pull that chart back up real quick for you. So yeah, back in May of 2023, we took profit up here at 305. It took 6 months for us to, get that 60%, but we got it. But we're still holding it. Nvidia is still holding strong. But my question, what are you all gonna do? Are you gonna wait and buy after the stock split? Are you buying now in preparation of the stock split, which you'll be buying at a total premium, because Nvidia is at all-time highs? I don't recommend that, and I'll say that live on video. I don't recommend you buying here. I don't care where it goes, because you're buying at a premium. But what are you doing? Or have you been holding and you're just waiting for the stock split like myself to get those extra shares and see what happens afterwards? But the stock split, it's kind of neutral. The company doesn't gain any more market capitalization. They get more liquidity, and the share price becomes more attractive for smaller investors, because depending on where the price is when it finally splits, it's going to drop tremendously. Like if it's still at $1,000, it'll be around $100 per share. So that lower stock price will attract smaller investors, right? But for the company, it's like meh, right? But we'll see what happens with Nvidia's price after the split on June 7th. But yeah, man, what are y'all doing? Drop it in the comments. You holding and waiting for the stock split, or you're gonna wait to buy after the stock split? Let's see. So this is the end of the video. I'm out. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. Peace, and catch me on my next one, because I got some juicy content coming for you on my next video.